What the hell do you want, Mr. Krabs?
Mr. Squidward, my cash register has no money in it. Do you want to explain why, Mr.
You tell me, Mr. Krabs. When was the last time we had a fucking customer in the Krusty Krab?
Bullshit, Mr. Squidward! We always get customers! We are the best restaurant in the world! Now where's all the money in the cash register?
Fine, Mr. Krabs. I give it a plankton because I fucking hate you, Mr. Krabs!